Hello everyone and welcome back to Tesla Harmonics. Today I want to continue looking at Module 26305-23, Overcurrent Protection in NCCER 11th edition. This will be Section 5.00, Testing and Troubleshooting Circuit Breakers and Fuses. The magnetic portion of a circuit breaker provides protection against short circuit and excessive currents. The thermal portion protects the circuit from excessive heat. Follow the steps listed below to troubleshoot an overload condition. Test the voltage, measure the current of each phase present, check for excess heat, listen for crackling sounds that may indicate arcing, remove the breaker to inspect the connection between the breaker and the bus bar, and replace the breaker if necessary. Fuses. A single element fuse is designed to act immediately on an overcurrent event, which may either be a short circuit or an overload. A dual element fuse has two fuse elements, a quick acting element and a thermal time delay element. The quick acting element reacts to short circuit conditions while allowing smaller overcurrent conditions to continue. The time delay element protects against small overcurrent events over time. Follow the steps listed below to troubleshoot a blown fuse using an ohm meter. Step 1. Disconnect the power to the fuse. Step 2. Verify the voltage has been removed from all fuses associated with the circuit. And Step 3. After checking the voltage, remove the fuse and check for continuity. If there is no continuity, the fuse is bad. Follow the steps listed below to test fuses in an energized circuit. Step 1. Test for voltage between the top of the fuse and ground, and then between the bottom of the fuse and ground. If voltage is present between the top and ground but not the bottom and ground, the fuse is open. Step 2. Disconnect the power and verify the absence of voltage. Step 3. Use a fuse puller to remove and replace the blown fuse. And Step 4. Energize the circuit using the proper safety techniques. Step 5. Verify the presence of voltage on all load terminals. Step 6. While the circuit is under load, measure the current on each circuit conductor just below the fuses. Ensure that the current is within the expectations. There are no trade terms for this session, but there are some review questions. If a circuit breaker has tripped and stays in the on position for a short time before tripping, the problem is least likely to be a short circuit, an arc fault, a ground fault, or an overload. That's going to be C, a ground fault. Which of the following statements about fuses is true? A fuse that trips repeatedly may be replaced with a larger size as long as it fits in the clip. Fuse holder clips that have lost their spring temper should be replaced. Fuses are checked for continuity using a voltmeter. Or D, fuses are inexpensive devices that often fail due to manufacturing defects. That's going to be B. Fuse holder clips that have lost their spring temper should be replaced. Alright everyone, that was it for that session. The next session will be a review from the module test. We'll do that in the classroom and I'll see you over there.